Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever opened up a design in Figma and thought, this background color doesn't really match what I'm going for, then today's tutorial is absolutely for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to change the background color in Figma, whether you're working with a frame, an artboard, or even just the general canvas. It's a super useful skill that will help your designs look sharp and professional, no matter what project you're working on. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is select your background. In Figma, the background could mean a few different things, but typically you'll be working with a frame. Frames are like containers or canvases that organize your elements. Think of them like digital sheets of paper that you're painting on. So go ahead and click on your frame, either directly in the canvas area or by locating it in the Layers panel on the left side of your screen. You'll know you've selected it when you see a blue outline around the whole area and the frame name becomes highlighted in the Layers list. Next, with your frame selected, take a look over to the right side of the screen. That's where Figma's Design tab lives, and it's packed with options for customizing whatever you have selected. You're specifically looking for the Fill section. It might say Fill with a colored box or even just None if there isn't a color applied yet. This is where the magic happens. Think of the fill as the paint bucket for your frame's background. Click on that Fill color box and a color picker will pop open. Here you can go wild with your creativity. Maybe you want a soft pastel tone, maybe something bold and eye-catching for a landing page background, or just a crisp, clean white. It's totally up to you. You can choose a color by dragging around the color picker, typing in a specific hex code if you've got branding guidelines to follow, or even playing around with the opacity if you want a slightly transparent look. Take a moment to experiment and notice how your frame updates in real time as you try out different colors. Don't worry if you don't get it perfect on the first try. One of the great things about Figma is how easy it is to update your choices, so you can always tweak the color later if you change your mind. Once you're happy with your selection, just click away from the color picker and your new background color is set. It's really as simple as that. In just a few clicks, you've given your design a fresh look and set the stage for whatever elements you add next. This little change might seem small, but trust me, it can make a huge difference in how your design feels, whether you're showing off a prototype to a client or just organizing your workspace for better focus. And there you have it, changing the background color in Figma couldn't be easier. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Figma or want to see more tips like this, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow design tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.